We're happily riding our bikes along the Don River Trail, and suddenly we find ourselves in this weird little park. The sculptures are cast replicas of gargoyles that are found on some buildings in downtown Toronto. The artist is Duane Linklater. He asks the viewer to look closely at the trajectory of Toronto's history and the changes made to the natural environment. The installment is called Monsters for Beauty, Performance and Individuality and can be accessed through any entry point along the Don River Trail.